I'm going to show you a quick video how to get Halo 2 for free and install it on your computer and still be able to play online and see custom servers and everything. This used to work before, but been quite a few issues lately. We haven't been able to figure out how to get it to work right. So I'm gonna clear the water. First thing you want to do is go to a website, https://cartographer.online. You're gonna want to get this one right here. Download full game installer plus mod. It's like 4 gigabytes. It doesn't take too long. Once you do that, I've already done it obviously. You don't want to open it. Double click it, click extract all, pick wherever you want it, and then it'll automatically open it. And you'll see this. Double click this, click next, scroll down, click I accept, next, pick whatever destination you want, click next. There should be any other dialogues. Once you're done with that, you can either choose to launch the game at the end of that installer or do it this way. And it's that easy. So, you're not going to see this here. Click create account. I'll just use a random name. That you do have to have a valid email address first, though. That's it. Now you're going to click create account. Oh, we've already used that username, I forgot. So, forget what I said there. Let's do that again. Forgot I made one of these videos earlier. Sorry about that. So we'll make it test dummy 2. Oops. Then click create account. It's gonna ask you, check your email. Once you confirm your email, activation link, that is it. So now when we go back in the game, everything's good. The next thing you want to do is click add account, and there it is. This is the username. It's automatically going to enter it in for you there, and then the password, just for clarification. And click login. And that is it. Now you are online. You can create a character in game if you want. So check it out. Click online. Look at this. Bam, look at all these servers. It's kind of late at night that no one's really playing. I see somebody's on here. Someone playing Lock. I hear we'll just test it out for shits and giggles. It's pretty awesome. God, I'm gonna play with it. It also works great with a new controller. Playing with a controller right now. I gotta change the looking version. I can't see. This works great with mouse and keyboard too. Man, it works fantastic with controller. It's even better when you turn up the screen resolution as high as it can go.
New Juggernaut.
Pardon me for that. That's about it. I'm just gonna show you it works even in 134 hertz. Well, crank the graphics up too. Cool. This is a stupid action set game type, but this is my Xbox controller and everything. Fantastic. Man, this game feels so slow now playing this. And mouse and keyboard also. Oh man, yes, holy crap. Whew. How weird. I'm back to a controller. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.